Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Bumm Squad Comedy.
Hey guys, so on today's episode we are switching gears. We are gonna fix the O2 sensor on the 2003 Cadillac CTS. Yeah!
What's up guys? A couple tools you're gonna need. Basically, before anything, you're gonna need a jack and a couple jack stands. You're gonna lift the car up. Make sure you put the jack stands for safety, okay? Make sure the car is not falling down. We're gonna climb under the car, get these O2 sensors replaced. Alright guys, other than safety, a couple basic tools you're gonna need. A ratchet wrench. We're gonna need this one. It's just the basic one you can get at AutoZone. Gotta get an extension. That's gonna go right there. And a couple special O2 sensor sockets, alright? So there's a couple different ones that you can get out there. They're about $9 each. You can get them anywhere, Amazon, even AutoZone.
Alright guys, so this is the special O2 sensor socket you're gonna need to replace your O2 sensor. Make sure it's a 7/8 and the 22mm to make sure you get the job done. Alright guys, so before you get started, make sure that you place the jack right underneath this arrow, which indicates the reference point. Make sure the plate is well located too, so when you start cranking it up, crank it up to your desired level, and you'll be able to get the job done. Alright guys, now that you have cranked the car up, make sure you place a jack stand on each side of the vehicle for extra safety.
You're going to need one in the front, you're going to need one in the back. Make sure it's placed right there at a safety point. Make sure you leave the jack right here for an additional point of safety. Alright guys, so here we have part 16379. It's this sensor here. This is going to be on the driver's side, right below the tire from the bottom. So you have to jack the car up, it's going to be at the bottom. And it's actually right here. I don't know if you can see it. This is the sensor itself. Alright. And this is bank 2, sensor 2. Alright, so it's at your wrench right here. You gotta get the special socket wrench for the O2 sensor. Clip that on there. And it simply goes all the way in, alright? So once it's there, start cranking it, and it comes right off. Alright, so now that I cranked it up, I loosened it up. This, you simply just unclick right here. Make sure you press this little button right there, unclick it, loosen this up, and out comes the sensor. So that's the old sensor. You can tell that it's got some sort of oil or there's residue right there, so that's why it's gone bad. So now we're gonna replace it with the new sensor. Alright, so this is the new sensor. Alright, so this is bank 2, sensor 2. We're gonna clip this right here, and then just pretty much just reverse the order of the sensors. The way they came in or the way they came out, it's the same way they're gonna go back. All right, so it's gonna go there, and then I'm gonna take off this cap and screw it up over here. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video for a second while I screw this in, and then we'll continue.
Alright guys, now to sum it all up, we replaced the old O2 sensor, bank 2, sensor 2 on the driver's side of the vehicle, and we placed the new one, as you can see, and that should be it.
Alright guys, so to sum it all up, so we replaced the O2 sensor on this vehicle, Cadillac 2003. It's a CTS model, so we got the O2 sensor right here. This is the sensor number, the part number. And yeah, as you can tell, that's it's already replaced. It's the bank 2, sensor 2, post catalyst. It's replaced, so now we're just gonna drop. We're gonna lift this a little bit more and take out the jack stands from underneath, and then drop the jack, and the car should be done. So take care. If you have any questions, hit us up on the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Peace.